How to buy coin in Binance. Now in order to buy coin in Binance, just simply tap to this trade option from home screen of Binance. After going in here, you'll just simply need to select this buy/sell option. Now into this buy/sell option, the buy will be selected at very first, leave it as it is, and from here you just simply need to open this and then search for the coin which you would like to buy. Now here are anime coin, Bitcoin, Dogecoin and many more. Just simply select the coin which you would like to buy from here. For example, I'm selecting this anime coin, and from here you just simply need to select the currency which you would like to use or spend in order to buy the coin. Do that and enter the amount of the currency that you have which you would like to spend in order to buy the coin, and then just simply tap to buy and confirm the purchase. Then after doing this much, you can very easily buy the coin in Binance. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.